Alright, using email for work isn't just about sending messages, it's about how you communicate. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Gmail for professional communication, so your emails actually sound clear, confident, and respectful. First, make sure your email address looks professional. Avoid random usernames, use your real name or something close to it. Next, your subject line matters a lot. Keep it short and specific, like meeting update or project proposal. This helps people understand your email instantly. Always start with a polite greeting, like dear, hello, or hi, followed by the person's name. Now, get to the point. Write short, clear sentences. Avoid long paragraphs. Just say what you need, simply. Keep your tone polite and professional. Avoid slang or overly casual words, especially in work emails. Make it clear what you expect, like, please review this, or let me know your thoughts. This avoids confusion. Set up an email signature in Gmail. Include your name, position, and contact info. It makes your emails look more professional. Before you send, quick check. Look for spelling mistakes, wrong names, or missing attachments. Finally, respond to emails on time and keep your replies clear and respectful. This builds trust and professionalism. And yeah, that's how you use Gmail for professional communication. It's not complicated. Just be clear, polite, and consistent, and you'll stand out instantly.